Welcome back to another super easy, quick CapCut editing tutorial. I'm Chelsea Clark, and if you liked how I'm zooming into your face right now, then stick around. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. How to zoom in CapCut is actually super easy, and there's two ways to do it. The second way, not many people know how, so this is a really juicy tip. In CapCut, click the clip where you want it to start zooming in. Look up to the left where it says Effects, click Effects, and then search in the search bar, Zoom. You're going to be shown a bunch of pre-built zooming effects. Test them out on your clip and see which one you like the best. When you get one that you like, it will open up a editing panel on the right side where you can click how fast you want this effect to happen, change how intense it is, etc. Now here's the lesser known way to make zooming effects and how to have more control on them as well. Click on your clip, look up where it says video on the right. Under that it says basic, or here under the word scale. This is important. This is where you want to be looking. Click in your clip where you want it to start zooming in. You see this little bar here that you can move around. Once you find the place you want the zoom to start, look where it says scale, and there is a little diamond icon. Click that. It's going to set a little keyframe here. Then drag that bar again to where you want the zoom to stop zooming. Up to scale and choose the level of zooming you want it to be. Now if you watch that, you can see it's a very slow zoom. And it's added two keyframes, two little diamonds to your clip. If you want the zoom to happen a lot faster, click this second one here and bring it closer, as close as you want to that first one. And now when you watch the playback, the zoom happens really fast. I hope that was helpful. If you are trying to make more money from your content, you're definitely going to want to watch the video that I just uploaded, where I talked about the only 3 revenue streams that I will ever put effort into when I am building up a digital business. These are the ones that I have had the most success with, and they don't require you having to be an influencer or having a super big audience. You can use these revenue streams to scale at any stage. So go check out that video and I'll see you there.